Good afternoon, everyone. I am Nagabhushan from DOPAG India Private Limited, Bangalore. So, DOPAG India basically is a subsidiary of Hilger and Kern Group, Germany, and our major products are into the lubrication systems and as well as the bonding systems. We cater our equipments for automotive industries, wind industries, and aerospace industries, etc. So majorly we focus on lubrication of the product for the lubrication systems, wherein we have showcased latest our precise valves for dispensing the grease or sealant in the precise quantity. So we are in the Automation Expo hall number 1 and stall number G1. So I request you to visit our stall, and you can even see our demo unit wherein we can showcase the working principles of various types of metering valves, dispensing valves, as well as short valves and spray valves. So come and visit us and have a feel of our products. Thank you.